over. External power, smaller one. My face is too big, you didn't tell me. Yeah? Okay, so as usual procedure on our discretion, to use the route instead of putting all of those airways in waypoint, just we were going to select the first waypoint after the seat, which is Yankee, and the last air waypoint before the star to proceed to RPLL for landing, which is the cub. So these two, remember these two are the one that we're going to open. Okay, so let's open up our FMC. We learned this one already, so we going to encode or input our data to our FMC. Reference airport is Kilo. Oops. Kilo, start with Kilo for airports in USA. Kilo, okay. John F. Kennedy. So Kilo Juliet Paxton, John F. Kennedy, KJFK, that is, and here is the airport position reference, but our UT's GPS position as per our IRS is this one, so we need to copy this one, and gate is, we are in 219 or 91, never mind the gate. Okay, so route 1 is John F. Kennedy Airport RPRL. Performance initiation is flight level 420, as we intend to maximize the limit of the 748. Okay, thrust limit, we have we select 20% of the flaps or 20% of the climb of 15 degrees centigrade. 87.9 is the N1. The N1. We studied this N1. And then we select the climb 1, that is the 10% of takeoff. Now our takeoff page is 10 for flaps, and then B1 is 174, 186, and then see first our fuel. Already fuel has gone on board, already loaded, so we need to maximize fuel load because we have a long flight or long haul. We need this fuel. Okay, so in full tank, B1 is 202, 186, 206, and 232 at 10%. Is it true? What? Okay. Yes, okay. That's it. Okay, the route we're going to see again for the route. What is the first one on our list? Let's bring it back again. First route we have from Kennedy, and then seat we have Yankee November Kilo Echo Echo. Yankee November Kilo Echo Echo. Okay, that's it. Okay, Yankee is there, and our last one is Cab, which is the last waypoint. before we enter the star is cab. Cab is there. Okay. Come on. Yes. The desired waypoint is cab. BOR. Position. There is cab 1 and cab 3. So which cab we are going to use? So better to be sure, open up our flight route and cab. The position of cab is, here is the cab, and 109 is north 15 degrees 28 minutes 56 seconds. In short, 1528. So we just select 1528 from here. Yes, and cab is there. Directly we are going from Yankee to Cab, bypassing also all those airways and waypoint that we saw on the list. So just I'm giving you the shortest travel is go straight to GPS direction. Okay, and then execute. We can configure also as well. We are here already. We can configure because we have a information already that ILS 24 is available for landing at RPL Manila, RILS 24. So before that we select RILS 44. Our last waypoint is Cab. For star, you know, star is the one that we have learned. What star is applicable on runway ILS 24. So let's see. We are coming from the north. This is Cab. This is our last waypoint. After this we can select Oliva. Oliva. Where is Oliva? Yeah, Oliva 1. There you are. There, Oliva, and select the ILS 24. There you are. And then transit to Zulu. Alright. Zulu waypoint. And before landing. And then execute. Okay. Let's see if it is confirm ILS 24 and ILS frequency 109.9. Okay, and then the approach point is 184 knots at 30 degrees of the flaps. There you go. It will change when we reach there. We have to change it because we are going to spend the fuel on board. This is the fuel that full tank that you have to land on this speed with the full tank. So let's find the leg is there. We believe, and I believe also. I'm confident that this our flight route is okay because I can see everything is there. So let's start. What we need to do is the parking brake is on still. Auto brake to RTO. That is return toggle, take off, and go around system. Alright, we need to see our details on our initial climb. Go back to clearance now. Tune. Oops, not this one. Ground.
Kennedy Airport information CI-0800.
Request IFR clearance. There you are.
Kennedy Ground Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419
Let's listen for a
Heavy
while.
IFR
Our
to Manila,
clearance.
ready to copy.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419
Yes.
Heavy is cleared to Manila Airport as filed.
Yeah, we are clear on
Takeoff runway 31 left climb and maintain 8,000 feet.
8,000 feet.
Departure frequency is 135.9 squawk 7625.
So 8,000 feet. We need to insert 8,000 feet. Acknowledge it and thank you for that one.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419 heading cleared to Manila
8,000
Airport as
feet
filed.
initial climb
Takeoff runway
with
31 left climb and
vertical
maintain 8,000
speed
feet.
of 1,800
Departure on
feet.
135.9 squawk 7625.
1,800 feet.
Philippine Delta Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419 heavy read that is correct. Contact
Since
ground on
our
121.9
heading, our
when ready to
runway is
taxi.
31, so it means our heading is somehow 310, more or less 310. Yeah, our heading. This is, we put our heading there. Okay, next is taxi.
Kennedy Ground Philippine
Alright,
Delta
the
Foxtrot
vertical
Tango
navigation
0419 heavy with
is
Sierra ready to
on.
taxi IFR.
Alt
Philippine Delta
auto
Foxtrot
thrust
Tango
is armed.
0419 heavy taxi 2 and hold short of
Okay,
runway 31
this
left. Via taxi
flight
Hotel
director
Bravo
is
Bravo
on,
Juliet, cross
the
runway for
important
left
one.
Juliet Zulu.
Let's see
Contact tower
let's see
on
outside.
419.1 when ready.
Okay, runway 31 left, as you said, the taxiway, HB, Bravo, etc. Contact tower when ready. Okay, acknowledge.
Taxiing
So,
hold short runway 31 left
what
via
I
taxiway
say,
Hotel Bravo Bravo Juliet cross
while
runway for
doing
left
this, we
Juliet
need to
Zulu
start
Philippine Delta
our
Foxtrot Tango
preparation for our
0419 heavy.
engine, for our pushback then. So let's see from the outside, everything is ready. They are all prepared and our taxiway is there. You see the blue ribbon there? That is our taxiway to do it. So it means when we go in to request a pushback, we have to turn the airplane, our airplane, to at least to the right. Alright? But before doing the pushback, let us disconnect our external power by to start our APU. APU start. Now there is a electrical monitoring if the APU is running, but it's too much to open up those view, because we have here all the views right now, but still we can look at it if we wanted to. But the way that I monitoring if this APU is already providing power, you will see the availability. You see this one? You see this APU generator 2 and APU generator 1. So it is available. If it is available, then we can use that one. And take off or put off or disconnect our external power. Now we have power on board. Okay, what do you call this one? Okay, APU is there, available. APU is available eh. Okay, APU is available. Okay, start. Request for pushback.
Kennedy Ground Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419 heavy requesting pushback.
Requesting pushback.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419 heavy pushback request accepted.
As we mentioned earlier, our pushback should be, let us see our surrounding first. Is there any obstruction during our pushback? Is there any obstacle? If it is clear, then we can proceed to steer our aircraft to the right. So our heading, we are going to face
Kennedy Ground Philippine Delta Foxtrot
the
Tango 0419 heavy
west
requesting
side.
pushback tug to steer the aircraft to the right.
The west side, parking brake.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango
That's why
0419
the
heavy
pushback
request has
doesn't
been
move,
transmitted to the
because we
operator.
are still on the parking brake. Whoop. Okay, let's see once more. It's okay, it's working. Now it's turning back to the right as we requested. Push back, and it's to the right, more onto the right. Okay, then place the, if we are able to see our guide for taxi, then we can request to put stop.
Kennedy ground
While
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango
putting
0419 heavy
the
requesting the end of pushback.
putting the engine
Philippine Delta
to
Foxtrot
initiate.
Tango 0419 heavy request.
Initiate the
Pushback
engine.
received.
We have a 4 main engine. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, and 4, meaning on our left is 1, the second is 2, the inner one, the inner left, the inner right is 3, then the outer right is 4. Meaning if we are still there and we know there is some ground stuff still available, working on our surroundings there, better to start the I prepared engine, the inner side to start first. Okay, 2 and 3. The 2 and 3, open up the valve for fuel, is there, and monitoring it, it will come up like that. Alright, it will monitor it. Okay, and then follow it up by the 4 and 1 if we are sure already that no one is there. 4 and 1, then the same thing, the same procedure, open up 1 and 4, the fuel valve. Then you will see also now it's activating the 1 and 4 now. It's working. That is very good. Once it reaches somehow like this stage, then we are good to go. Okay, so if all set like this, the engine is running, then we need to okay. It's on now. It's on, and then our window hit, automatic de-icing. Put it in automatic as only, because automatic is nice. If it is required to provide de-icing, then it will provide by automated system. If doesn't require, then it's just standby. That is the advantage of this modern aircraft. While some other aircraft you have only on and off. If you want to use it, put it on. You want to put it off. But here there is auto. So put it on auto, switch to auto and forget. You will going to do what it needs to be done. Okay, now our engine is working to be sure. We are monitoring our engine right now, and both of it, 4 engine are there and ready. So what's our procedure next is to put off the APU, because the jet engine, our engine, is already providing power with our needs, to our needs, I mean to say. Okay, so let's proceed to our taxi. Flaps, how much flap we need? Flaps is 1, 2, 3, and then okay. Let me check what is our takeoff speed. There it goes, 166, you see? No, it's only 166. Okay. We are going to 31 left. 31 left. we are already 28 minutes. 28 minutes already we are spending on this video. So let's see how far we're going to on the 28 minutes. Actually, the flight of New York to Manila.
Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy, hold position, caution other traffic.
Hold position, okay.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy, continue taxi.
Continue taxi.
Kennedy Ground Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy requesting pushback.
No more pushback. Sorry for that.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy, pushback request accepted.
Stop pushback.
Kennedy Ground Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy requesting the end of pushback.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy, request to end pushback received.
Okay, what
Philippine
I'm
Delta
saying.
Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy, hold position, caution other traffic.
What
Philippine
I'm
Delta
saying
Foxtrot
is.
Tango 0419er heavy, continue taxi.
What's wrong with this?
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy, hold position, caution other traffic. Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy, continue taxi.
Okay. JFK at night. New York airport at night during the operation. Airport operation. Here's how it looks like. Start. Right, we are still on a taxi towards the runway 31, which is assigned to us for takeoff. Okay, what I'm saying earlier, this flight, John F. Kennedy to Manila is a 7,800 nautical miles. Okay, so the actual flight time that we're going to spend is 15 hours, 15.8 to 16 hours. That is in respect to delays. We have to also to consider that one, so it will more than 16 hours. So it is impossible for us to video the 16 hours here. So what we do, if we take off and the gut level of our desired flight level to as per our plan at 42,000 feet, we will stop our recording and we will resume again once we reach the last waypoint. Alright, you agree? Last waypoint will be, we are already in Manila. So it means We do our initiation on the departure airport, and then the accomplishment of the flight on the arrival airport or the destination airport. Okay, thank you. Okay, we are up to here, and we are already on the boundary of taxiway and the runway. Okay, let's start and see outside what are the things we going. Okay, the runway is on our side, alright, on the right side, meaning we have to line up our aircraft to the runway heading 31, heading west, 31 degrees. Outside, if you're going to see what we have here, what time is real time in New York is 4:54 a.m. So almost 1 hour more the sun will shine, will rise. Okay, so let's start. Clearance already is there. So line up our aircraft to the runway. Thank you very much, Lord. In Jesus Christ's name, amen. 747-800 series, takeoff on runway 31, New York, John F. Kennedy International Airport, bound for Manila. Takeoff on full speed. We wait until such 166 knots for our B1. B1 is there already, I heard. Then we push.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419 heavy, you were not cleared to take off.
Oh, why not clear to take off? Is it? Really? Not clear to take off? Okay.
748 2 miles north of Kennedy, 3,100 feet. Request flight following.
Our aircraft is here.
Philippines Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy New York approach. Squawk 7174.
Squawk 7174 Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango
Go for
0419er Heavy.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy radar contact 3 miles east of Kennedy, 6,100 feet. Altimeter tree 0.19er.
Roger, Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy contact New York Center on 121.125. Good day.
Okay.
121.125 for Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy.
New York Center.
New York Center, Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango
Okay.
0419er Heavy, 9,500
The
feet.
sun is rising.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot
Sunrise.
Tango 0419er Heavy New York Center altimeter 30.19er.
Altimeter 3019er. Okay. Right, let's retry with our flight plan.
New York Center, Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy, 9 miles east of Kennedy. Request IFR to Manila, ready to copy.
What is our
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango
flight level
0419er Heavy
on plan
cleared to
is
Manila Airport this mile.
42,000 feet.
Squawk 7174.
42,000 feet. There you are, 42,000 feet.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy cleared to Manila Airport as filed. Squawk 7174.
Okay, put up the light now.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy read that correct.
Landing light
Radar contact 11,800 feet. Altimeter
Taxi light off.
30.19er. Continue to
Landing light
East
off.
heading and following heading 255 descend and maintain 10,000 feet.
10,000 feet.
Continue to YNT
Outbound
turning and following
landing
heading
and
255
inbound
descend and maintain
landing is
10,000
off
feet.
already.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango
Runway
0419er
lights
Heavy.
left and right is off. Taxi is off. So, everything is okay.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy contact
So
Boston
far.
Center on 132.3.
Boston
Good day.
Center. What flight level we are now? We are flight level 140. 14,000 feet.
132.3 for Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy.
Okay, Boston Center. Another communication with Boston Airport. Reporting.
Boston Center, Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy is at 15,500 feet, descending 10,000 feet.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy Boston Center altimeter 30.19er. Continue to YNT East as planned.
The first waypoint is Yankee. Now we are clear to Yankee as per our plan. We request our
Boston Center, Philippine Delta Foxtrot
Our,
Tango 0419er Heavy.
level,
Request
flight
flight
level
level 200.
200.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy climb and maintain flight level 200.
Okay, flight level 200, acknowledge.
Climb and maintain flight level 200 Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy.
Okay, increase again.
Boston
300.
Center, Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er er Heavy. Request flight level 300.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy climb and maintain flight level 200.
Climb and maintain flight level 200 Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy. Request flight level 300.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy 0419er heavy climb and maintain flight level 200. Expect flight level 300.
Okay. Acknowledge.
Descend and maintain flight level 200. Expect flight level 300. Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy.
Okay, increase.
Wiggins Airways 8301, contact Boston Center on 124.525.
Increase the 10,000 more. 40,000 feet.
Boston Center Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy. Request flight level 400.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy descent and maintain flight level 200. Expect flight level 400.
Alright, 400 flight level. That is 2,000
Descend and maintain flight level 200. Expect
2,000
flight
feet
level
more.
400. Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy.
2,000 feet more for our
Going to 124.25.
intention
25 Wiggins Airways
per our flight
8301.
plan. Our level will be 420,
Boston
42,000
Center
feet.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy. Request flight level 420.
Okay, 420.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy descent and maintain flight level 200. Expect flight level 420.
Okay. So far everything is okay. We are clear to flight level
Descend and maintain
420.
flight level 200. Expect flight level
Okay.
420. Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy.
What is you can see our at the back of our cockpit.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy contact Boston Center on 124.525.
All
Good
right.
day.
Okay, acknowledge.
124.525 per Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy.
June Boston Center. Now, give you the choice. Give you the what you want to stay in the video to experience the sunrise on the horizon, or we'll come back to you once we are in Manila. Okay, so see you later.
21.1 Philippine
Hello,
Delta Foxtrot Tango
welcome back.
0419er heavy.
Now we are on the last waypoint as per our flight plan, and we are about to prepare our landing or preparation for our landing. Let us see first our we are still on 4200 flight level, 43,000 or 4,000. Okay, it's a 4,000. 10,000. What time in Manila right now? Should be 5 p.m. 5 p.m. Alright, so let's prepare our landing ILS 24 on Zulu. Okay, there you are. The approach is there on 154 knots at 30 degrees flaps is our approach. Navigational radio for ILS 24 109.9, it's there already confirmed, and we are going to be on the same position. So what we are now is tuned to approach. Contact approach.
Approach Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy is at 5,000 feet, descending 4,000 feet.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy approach altimeter 29.59er. Continue as planned. Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy descend and maintain 2,500 feet.
Descend and maintain 2,500 feet. Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy, you are 8 miles northeast of Manila. Contact Manila Tower on 118.4 when inbound on the approach.
Tower on 118 for Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy.
Already preparing for our landing. Should be landing in a few minutes. We are cleared already on our last waypoint, which is the Zulu, and our flight level already advised us to go 2005. 2005 is the flight level now. So we are already 269. Let us reduce our speed. Reduce our speed to 190. Landing speed is then our auto brake should be on auto, while
Orient Pacific
speed
29er
brake
tree, 9er, contact ground on
speed brake should
121.8.
be arm. Yes, contact tower.
Manila Tower Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy 18 miles east inbound ILS runway 24 approach.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy, Manila Tower. Altimeter 29.59er, wind 263 at 18. Cleared ILS runway 24 approach. .8 for Orient Pacific 29er tree 9er.
Alright, approach button is already on. On 16 nautical miles to Manila, LPLL, glide slope localizer is already
Philippine Delta
activated,
Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy.
and our glide slope
Cleared ILS runway
diamond
24 approach Philippine Delta
already
Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy.
up.
Manila
So-
Tower, Orient Pacific 28549er miles, northeast inbound 4 DME Zulu runway 24. 24 approach.
Okay.
Orient Pacific 2854, Manila Tower. Altimeter 29er.59er, wind 263 at 18. Cleared VOR DME Zulu runway 24 approach. Cleared VOR DME Zulu runway 24 approach, Orient Pacific 2854. Orient Pacific 2854, wind 263 at 18. Clear to land runway 24.
Alright, 11 nautical
Clear
miles
to land runway 24,
to
Orient
land.
Pacific 2854.
Landing gear down. Landing gear, we have already landing gear. 11 nautical miles. 2,500, meaning 2,500 feet. Airport and our
Manila Tower, EVA 2779 miles
What
northeast
is
inbound, 4 DME Zulu runway 24
25
approach.
degrees of flaps.
EVA 277 Manila Tower.
Okay, as you can see, glide slope are already activated on our flight, on our airplane, and that's it. We're about to land.
Clear VOR DME Zulu
So,
runway 24
let's
approach,
see.
EVA 277.
Here we go. Manila, here we come. All right. Flaps at 25.
EVA 277. Follow the
Speed
generic
190,
wind
195
262 at 18. Clear to land runway 24.
on the glide slope level.
Clear to land runway 24, EVA 277.
Let the localizer alarm align our aircraft more on the
Delta Foxtrot
right.
Tango 0419er heavy,
Okay.
number 2 for landing.
Number 2 for
Follow the
landing.
generic on final. Wind
Which one?
262 at 18. Clear to land runway 24.
Yes, we are clear to run runway 24, but number 2,
Clear to
let
land
us
runway
see.
24 number 2 Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er
I
heavy.
hope that is that
Orient Pacific
That plane
2854, turn next
ahead of
taxiway.
us clear the runway as soon
Orient
as
Pacific
he land.
2854, contact ground
Let us see.
121.6.
I can see the runway, but I don't see the first aircraft, which said we are number 2 to land, but there is no such aircraft.
121.6, Orient Pacific
Alright, so let's
2854.
see. Let us see. We are number 2, but where is the number 1?
Philippine 100, ready for
Okay.
IFR departure, runway
Anyway,
24.
we are clear to run. Runway 24, I can see.
Philippine 100, hold short runway 24.
Okay,
Traffic is generic on final.
generic. Okay, here we go.
Hold short runway
2 nautical
24,
miles,
Philippine
500
100.
height, flight level is now is 500 feet. 400 feet. Okay, deactivate the throttle. Down.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy, go around.
Oh, go around. Okay, go around. You said
Landing here. Landing here.
go are not allowed to.
Philippine 100, altimeter 29er.
We are not allowed to take off, to land.
Cleared for takeoff runway 24.
Go around, he said. So acknowledge the go around.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy contact. Approach on 121.1.
Go
Good
around.
day.
This is what I'm telling you. Go around now.
121.1 for Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy.
Cleared for
Go
takeoff
around.
runway 24 Philippine 100.
Go 5,000. Tune approach.
Approach Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy is passing 2,100 feet, climbing
Alright,
2,500
that's
feet.
it. We are ordered to go around on our final touchdown.
Approach altimeter 29er.59er. Continue as planned.
295. Okay.
Philippine Delta
2959.
0419er heavy. You are 5 miles southwest. Climb and maintain 7,000 feet. Expect view or DME Zulu runway 24 approach via Bangi transition. Clear to Bangi.
Bangi. Okay, Bangi.
Climb and maintain 7,000 feet. Expect your DME Zulu runway 24 approach via Bangi transition. Clear to Bangi Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy.
Let's see our condition.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy contact. Manila Center on 128.3. Good day.
128.3 for Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy.
Alright. Let us select again our runway. Bangi is our Bangi. Where is Bangi? Zulu. Runway 24. ILS runway 24 via Zulu. Okay. See? That's it.
Manila Center Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy is at 8,500 feet, descending 7,000 feet.
Okay, where we are.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy Manila Center altimeter 29er.62. Continue to Bangi as planned. Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy contact approach on 121.1. Good day.
121.1 Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy.
not a problem here. Nautical miles. That is the difficulty of you are about to land and then suddenly they will tell you to go around. Yeah, we need to adhere or follow the tower order. You have to go around and retry again to land at their advice. They advise us to go around and take another waypoint, which is the Bangi, which is not our waypoint, the original waypoint, because that is on the west side, while we came from the east. Anyway, let's follow them. On the map it says here we are on track. You see, I open up the BFR map so we can trace what we wanted to see. Altimeter 2992, 2962. Okay. Okay, what we have advised is to take the Bangi waypoint.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er Heavy, you are 400 feet below your assigned altitude.
You see?
Climb and maintain 7,000 feet altimeter, 29er.59er.
Alright.
Climb and maintain 7,000 feet Philippine
Okay.
Delta Foxtrot
We need
Tango
to climb up
0419er
7,000
Heavy.
feet. Manila International Airport is on our left. Okay, see that one? But we need to go straight and take the Bangi waypoint to allow us to be on runway 24 landing. Okay. Runway 24 is there. It was 7,000 feet. 7,000 feet, and we are ready.
Departure Cebu 657 is at 800 feet, climbing 5,000 feet. Cebu 657 departure altimeter 29.59er. Continue as planned.
Okay, we are preparing to land on the same runway 24. Thirteen thousand feet. Approach
657 climb
mode.
and maintain 6,000 feet. Climb and maintain 6,000 feet, Cebu 657.
Okay, landing gear at 12,000.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419er heavy, you are 2,600 feet below your assigned altitude. Climb and maintain 7,000 feet altimeter 29.59er.
Yes, I don't understand why they still
Climb
have
and
to
maintain 7,000
let me
feet.
climb
Philippine Delta Foxtrot
10,000
Tango 0419
where I
heavy.
am 10 nautical miles away already from the airport, from the runway.
2,500.
That's nonsense, huh? Okay. We go. Gear down. Ready for landing.
2,500.
2,500. Let's see if we are prepared to land. We are going to land. Alright. Our landing approach is 154. That's better. Okay.
Philippine Delta
Glide
Foxtrot
globe is
Tango
there.
0419er heavy, please expedite your climb 7,000 feet.
No need to expedite. Why? We are about to land. 6 nautical miles. Runway 24. Our video is already 1 hour and 15 minutes. Okay, ready to land. As you can see, our right slope is activated, localizer activated, ready to climb, elevator landing on runway 31, 3 nautical miles. 1,000. Here we go. 500. Auto thrust.
400.
Disengage.
300.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419 or heavy, please expedite your climb 7,000 feet.
Disengage already. We are now on runway 21.
100.
Cebu 657 climb and maintain 10,000 feet.
10.
Yeah, we landed. There you go. On our speed brake. There you go, it's there.
Climb and maintain 10,000 feet, Cebu 657.
Speed brake is up. Already remove the speed brake, so now it's okay. Why it doesn't stop? At last. Woo. All right, you're now on there. Welcome to Manila. Okay. Welcome to Manila, and park at our own wheel. Let's do it. A lot of aircraft. Where are we going to park? Ninoy Aquino International Airport. You see? The video is already 1 hour and 18 minutes. Do you think it's too long already? Anyway, it's worth of watching this movie with this video. We have learned already what you're going to do in case of that failure to first attempt to land. And the ATC will advise you to go around what you will do. And that is what we've done. What we have done, I think, is correct because we landed still in one piece. Alright, then Alright, I don't know what the problem is, but the ATC doesn't contact us and provide us or ask us what our intention and where we are going. Alright, just we will park it. We will park. Let's go outer skirts. Let's find a way we're going to park. Here in Manila, there are 3 major terminals, namely Terminal 1, which is the original one, Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Terminal 2 is the Philippine Airline owned airport. And Terminal 3 is the Commercial Airport International Airport. And there is a vacant one here. I'm sure we can fit here. Let's fit ourselves inside. Yes, let's do it. In both of that, we can fit ourselves as long as we are connected to the jetway. The passenger can exit. The passenger can disembark. Okay, that's it. See, our wings will touch the other side. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, here we go. Pause brake. Then let's see the ground services, if they can connect us our jetway.
Ground Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419 Heavy, could you please connect the jetway to the aircraft?
Connect the jetway
Philippine
to
Delta
our
Foxtrot
aircraft.
Tango
There you are.
0419 Heavy. The
Check.
jetway is going to be connected.
Jetway will be connected for our beloved passenger to disembark.
Ground
Okay.
Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango
Parking brake.
0419 Heavy, could you please send the baggage?
Engine 1, 4 is off.
Philippine Delta
3
Foxtrot
and 2
Tango
and
0419 Heavy baggage
3
is on the way.
is off. Alright. External power supply first.
Ground Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419 Heavy, could you please send a ground power
And
unit?
the ice. Put it up,
Philippine
put
Delta
it up,
Foxtrot
put it
Tango
up, put it up,
0419
put it up.
Heavy. A ground power unit is on the road.
Hit. Okay. External power. Okay. The catering service.
Ground Philippine Delta Foxtrot Tango 0419
Alright.
Heavy, could you please send the catering truck?
The catering truck. Okay, and the
Philippine Delta
baggage.
Foxtrot Tango 0419 Heavy. The catering truck is on the road.
Okay, this is a Terminal 2 where we are. Ninoy International Airport, Terminal 2. Gate is, I don't know. So that's it, my dear friend. Thank you for watching. You can request what airport is next after we depart here. After this, maybe later on. Let's go where? Japan. We go Japan tomorrow. Okay. Thank you very much indeed. Have a nice watch. Still, please subscribe and follow my video. We will fly all the way. Thank you. See you then. Stop record.